Here is the app called JustPlay loyalty program. So let's just tap to get it. And here it is, created for the players of Gimmick games. Easy access to your favorite Gimmick games. Be in the loop, get news and updates about your favorite Gimmick games. Gimmick experience, enhance your gaming experience with our loyalty program. Welcome to JustPlay, the exclusive loyalty program for Gimmick games enthusiasts. We have designed this program to reward you for doing what you love most, playing your favorite Gimmick games, play games, earn loyalty points, redeem rewards every 3 hours, donate to world-renowned charities, enhance your Gimmick experience, take your Gimmick game to the next level with JustPlay. So yeah, as you can see, it's quite high in the entertainment charts. It has some really good ratings. You can allow notifications. So yeah, here you can just see which games you can play. So for example, solitaire, and then you just can play solitaire and earn some loyalty points, and then you can maximize rewards, and then you can claim your loyalty points in like 3 hours, and then you can just get, I guess, some Amazon gift card, PayPal, credit, Walmart gift card. That's how you get the rewards, and then you can donate, and then you can try to cash out. So yeah, keep playing. Your loyalty points will be converted to real rewards once the timer elapses. It's quite cool. And then yeah, so yeah, if you like, just games like solitaire, white ball hunt, like all this, time-consuming games, which is sometimes you can just play while commuting, while waiting for something, whatever. And then you can just basically convert these points seems to the real PayPal gift cards and some PayPal credit or Amazon gift card, and then you can just buy real stuff from that. So yeah, pretty cool app. So that's one of those apps where you can just earn money online. So yeah, give it the hint. So that's what you have here. And then you can just see your rewards in the top right. And yeah, so give it a try.